Hello guys, Sorin here. Just wanted to show you another very cool online app that you can use for free to create viral images out of quotes. It's a very simple app, but it has some very powerful templates. The app is called recitethis.com. You can see it here in my browser if you have a look. Okay, so recitethis.com. It's actually very simple. This is the only page and the main page that you will see for this app. You just enter here on this website and you will see here in the lower part of your page, okay, you have some templates, okay, some pages that you can select from. For example, this dashboard here, okay, you can just scroll through all the templates, see whichever you like the most, select one. Okay, for example, you can have this cartoon board, okay, and you can type in very simple I don't know, like a quote here, for example, Monday is beautiful. I know that a lot of people hate Mondays, so I thought that this would be a very good joke. So Monday is beautiful, okay, and then you just click the button create, okay, and you are actually done. Okay, you can your photo is now done. Okay, you will just have the logo here, so that's not very nice, but okay, for for some posts you can use this because you can create some very cool stuff. Then you can post it directly to Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr. Okay, you can download your image, for example, directly like this. Okay, this will be your image, so it's actually very nice. You can send it to a friend. You have a permanent link, for example, if you just want to use the link, okay, to upload the photo and so on. So it's actually a very simple to use app. Then if you go to find a quote, for example, you can find quotes that you can use for different domains, for different niches. For example, for beauty, okay, a beauty is a woman you notice, so it will upload directly your code. So you can also have direct codes that you can already use that are integrated in the app. So that's actually very cool also, because you don't have to find a code on your own. So this is a very cool app. You can use it like Pablo from Buffer. Okay, it's actually very simple. You have seen that. So I hope you will enjoy it. Thank you guys for your attention. Bye bye for now. Sorin here. Hello guys, Sorin here. I want to show you another very cool tool that you can use to create viral images for your Facebook posts, and not just for your Facebook post, also for Twitter or Pinterest or Instagram. You know that people share a lot right now images that have quotes on them, okay, life quotes, personal development quotes, business quotes, leadership quotes, and so on. And this type of images are very catchy. People absolutely love them, share them like crazy, so it can create a great virality for you. Okay, you can have that traction, you can get that traction for your page, okay, for getting likes, getting shared, getting a lot of exposure for your business. So the app, it's actually very simple. You just have to create an account on buffer.com. I don't even think you need to create an account for this app, but I recommend you to create an account, a free account on buffer.com. You can create a free account for free. You can log in with your Facebook account already. Okay, why? Because it's a very powerful tool also for automatic scheduling your posts and different tasks that you can automate for your social media accounts. So the app is called Pablo. Okay, it's buffer.com/Pablo, as you can see here. Okay, its motto, it's very nice: engaging social images in 30 seconds. Why? Because you just enter on the platform just like that, okay, and you just have to select your background. You have a lot of cool backgrounds here. Okay, for example, you can select this one, the night sky, okay, with stars. Then you select your dimension here, if you want for Pinterest, for Instagram, okay, or white for Facebook or Twitter. Okay, and you also have some effects here, contrast, if you want to be, okay, a normal contrast, or if you want to have a contrast with effect, if you want the background to be blurred, okay, or if you want it normal, or if you want it black or white or not. So I will let it be like that. Okay, I don't want it to be blurry. You can also upload your own backgrounds if you want to, but you have a lot of cool photos here, so you may not need to. What is the most interesting part is that you already have the quote here. Okay, you also can add a secondary text here, you know, like I don't know, maybe like a subtitle, and you can also add your custom logo. You just click on you just turn the button on, okay, for the custom logo, and you will need to upload something here. For example, we can upload this small icon, okay, which will appear here, and you can put your logo here. For example, you can change its size, its radius, okay, whatever you want. And then you have the option. For example, here, this is actually very nice. If you do not like the quote you see here, you can shuffle quotes, okay. It will change your quote, so you don't even have to look for quotes on the internet, okay. You just shuffle the quote, you find the good one for that day, you just select a background, and then you just share your image. You can share your image directly, so it's connected directly to your Facebook account, or you can download your image. So you just press the download your image button and it will download your image, okay. It's rendering, and now it's downloaded. As you can see it here, it's a PNG image. So this is actually very nice. You can create viral images with live quotes and business quotes on demand in just exactly in 30 seconds, maybe even faster. So this is a very cool app. I hope you guys like it, and I hope you will use it wisely. Thank you guys for your attention, and I will see you in our next lecture. Bye bye till then. Sorin here. Hello friends, Sorin here. Welcome back to our course. Welcome back to our next lecture. In this lecture I wanted to show you guys a tool that you can use to create viral images. You know already those viral images with quotes that go all over the social media platforms. They are practically hijacking any type of traffic on social media, okay. They are everywhere and people love them. And depending on the industry, for example, you can use them if you are a trainer, if you are in network marketing, maybe if you are into personal development, if you are a life coach or a business development coach, or a leadership instructor or something like that, okay. Because practically these images are the most relevant for people that are into personal development and other stuff like that. So the tool that I'm showing you here, as you can see here on my screen, it's called Quozio.com, okay. It's a very simple app. You can log in with your Facebook account. You have to be logged into your Facebook account, and I will show you exactly right now how you can do that. I will just log in with my Facebook account. Okay, it's actually very simple. I will not allow the platform immediately to post anything on my wall, okay, or to my friends publicly, but I will allow it to log in with my Facebook account, okay. And this is exactly what you will see on your first page. You just enter your quote. For example, I've made a very special quote today that I've posted on my social media account, and I will show you. It's something like blah blah, okay, blah blah. This sends a very powerful message to the audience. I'm joking with you, right? But you can find different types of quotes in different places on the internet. You just can go on Google and find a lot of websites where you can find famous quotes in absolutely every single niche that you could think about, also with their authors and everything that you need, okay. So don't worry about that. So you just type in your quote here, and you then type the name of the author, the Mighty, okay, and that's it. Then you press the button go. Very simple stuff, okay. This is rocket science, guys, as you can see. So but this is actually very efficient, and I don't know if you guys are watching over this whole personal development, okay, trend that is going on, but people actually follow a lot these images, and they can create viral exposure for your brand, and they are even more powerful if you have a personal brand that you can develop for yourself, okay. And then you have different templates of text that you can use. For example, you can use a whiteboard. Okay, I'm waiting for it to load like this. Okay, you can use other templates, okay, like this one. So you have different backgrounds that you can actually use. You can find them here in the menu. Okay, you just press on the buttons, on the small arrows to go to the other templates that you can choose from. So you have a couple of very good templates here that you can choose. So this is obviously a very simple to use tool that you can use actually for your social media accounts. If you, exactly as I've told you before, if you are in this industry where this type of images go viral, okay, in this type of posts. I've seen many personal and public persons that are using this type of images and work for them very well. But as I've told you before, it depends very much on the niche you are in, because otherwise, if you are using them in the unsuited niche, to say so, you may make a fool out of yourself. Okay, I don't know how to say it otherwise, but you can become a fool out of yourself. Okay, you can make a fool out of yourself if you are using this type of images in other niches. So be very careful in what type of niches you are using this. And after that, how you save your image is actually very simple. You right click on the image, save image as, and after that you just upload it to your social account wherever you want to upload it. Obviously you can automatically share it on Google, okay, from here, or other on Facebook, Google Plus, Tweet, or anything else, or other platforms where you actually have a button to do that for. Okay, so I hope this was helpful for you guys. Obviously, as you can see here, you also have my quotes section. And I recommend this app to you if you want to do something very quick, very efficient, and if it's suited for your niche, and only if it's suited for your niche. I hope this was helpful for you guys. I thank you very much for your attention. You already know you are awesome, and I send you my best regards and best wishes. Till next lecture, bye bye. Sorin here. Hello guys, Sorin Constantin here. Welcome to our next lecture from this course. In this lecture we will talk about a tool, an online tool that I like very much, and I think it can be very useful for you guys. Because you can create something very unique that can help you boost your exposure. I like this tool very much because you can create infographics, and infographics, as we have probably talked before, or if we haven't, are elements that can go viral and can create a lot of exposure for your business. If you touch certain topics in your marketplace that have a lot of interest for people, they can go viral. Okay, obviously, if they haven't been touched before, these topics, if they haven't been touched before or approached before, even more will create exposure for your business. So this tool is called Piktochart, and you can actually do different types of presentations, images, posters, reports, and infographics with it. You can create an account for free. You can log in with your Facebook accounts. Most of these online platforms and tools that you will see me explaining to you and exposing to you in my lectures, you will see you can practically connect with Facebook. I think every single tool online you can connect with, you can create an account automatically with Facebook or with other social media accounts, and this is no different case. Okay, you create a free account with your Facebook account, and after you create your free account, this is what you will see in your Piktochart. Okay, you can see exactly here how it's called, Piktochart. This is the first page where you select a template, okay, the infographic format you would like to use. For example, we select an infographic, okay, and now we have different templates, okay, 3 templates here. Obviously, for example, we can select this one because it's the most interesting for us as online entrepreneurs, okay, how to make money the startup way. You can preview the template in the first place to see exactly how it looks like. Okay, and after that you just create the template. Okay, you press the create button, and we wait for the editor to load. Now the app it's loaded, okay, and you can start editing everything in your infographic. You have more blocks that you can that you can edit, and you can see here exactly how to edit every single block. Okay, and for example, let's edit the first one, the header, so you guys can see. You first of all, you can select the text, you can edit the text. Obviously, as in any app or editor, you can select the font, okay, the size, if it will be bold, if it will be italic, okay, the alignment and other stuff like that. Also, a very cool stuff that you can add to your infographic is the fact that you can add different types of icons. For example, you have a huge collection of icons here. Okay, you can add different types of shapes and lines, as you can see here in this menu in your left side. Okay, you can add different types of photos if you want to, and also you can add different types of photo frames. Okay, for example, we have these letters here which look very nice. Okay, and other types of photos. Then we have, for example, backgrounds. We can use different types of backgrounds, patterns that we can choose from. For example, let's have a look at this one. Okay, with the stars, it looks very, very nice. Then we have different types of text that we can use. Okay, we also have some text frames here, okay, and text templates that we can use. For example, this one, okay, which looks very nice, but I'll let you guys play with it more so you can see exactly how you can use them. But I'm just showing you exactly where you have to go, okay, what features do you have at your disposal, and so on. And then you have other tools like videos, maps, charts, different types of charts. Okay, after you finish creating your infographic the way you like it, you just go to the okay, it's already saved. You just go to the preview button to see exactly how it will look like. Okay, and you just download your graphic. Okay, you can leave a PNG format or JPEG format, whatever suits you the most. Okay, for example, you can download it in this format or a medium format. If you want more, you have to go to the pro version, which obviously is paid, but I think for starting out this version is perfect. And now let's kick it off, download as PNG. Okay, and see exactly what we'll get. I think this tool can be very, very useful for you guys. Okay, because as I've told you and as I've stated before, infographics really go viral in a lot of niches. If you will look at top bloggers at what they actually use, okay, you will see that a lot of them are using infographics, and they state something, they do a lot of research, they state something in those infographics that wasn't approached before by other bloggers or other researchers in their niche, and that's how they establish themselves as an authority in their niche. Their infographics get viral, their articles get viral, they get a lot of exposure for their whole blog, not just for that infographic. People subscribe to their newsletter, start to follow them on social media, and that's how practically they get to become an authority, and they get very well known in their marketplace. Let's have a look at how this infographic looks like. This is it. Okay, it's very nice. As you can see here, we can zoom in to see. One thing that you will find out in the free version is that you will have the logo from Piktochart here in the slower part. They needed to promote themselves somehow, but this is not inconvenient in the beginning if the information is very, very well structured and it sends a strong message. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this lecture about Piktochart. I hope you find it helpful. I hope that this tool will help you in your business in the future and in your social media strategy, and to create stunning social media images. I thank you very much for your attention. I know already that you know already that you are awesome, and I thank you for that. And I send you my best wishes. I will see you guys in our next lectures. Bye bye for now. Sorin here. Hello friends, Sorin here. Welcome back to our course and welcome back to our next lecture. In this lecture I wanted to show you a tool that it's awesome if you want to promote a product, a new service or something like that, okay, and you practically want to create a mockup, to use a mockup like a MacBook Air or an iPhone or any device like that, okay, because this type of ads and this type of images look very professional if you promote an app, for example, okay, or a service or a website or a new platform or something like that. and the website is called placeit.net. It's actually very simple. You can see here in my browser, okay, and after you will enter the website, you will see that you have different types of mockups from which you can choose. They have a free plan, okay, you can test the app, you can do different mockups, not at a very high resolution, but you can do your bootstrap work at the beginning with it. And also you have a subscription, a monthly subscription, if you want to use all the features that the app it's giving to you, and it's from up to $15 per month, and you can use all their templates, video templates, images, swap, multi-stages, and different other features like that. Okay, now let me show you an example exactly to see how it works. We are already on the platform. For example, we can select this one, okay, this photo, iPhone mockup featuring. You just go and upload an image. For example, I will upload this image that I always use as an example. Okay, I will crop the image right now, and you will see exactly how the image will look like. Okay, it's processing the image. This is exactly how the image looks like. As you can see here, you can add text effects and you can download, and you have like a small watermark here, but it states very clear that downloads don't have watermarks. So you can share it already, okay, you can grab screenshot from an URL, okay, you can add some text and effects. For example, we select the download image, okay, and after that you can add the text, the effects, and so on. And for example, if you click on the download, let's see, on the high, no, we just select the small version. If you go on the high version, okay, exactly as I've told you, for a higher resolution you have to pay more, super high resolution even more. Okay, so this is how these guys are making money. So probably you won't need at the beginning a very high resolution. It depends on what you want to do with the mockup. For example, if you want to use it printed, maybe you will need a high resolution. If you want to use it for your social media, I doubt you will need a higher resolution than this one. Just for example, if maybe you will need it for your cover photo or something like that. So you just press the button download, and let's have a look so you guys can see exactly how this looks like. So it's actually a very nice photo. Okay, this looks awesome. This gives a professional look to your photos. As I stated before, it's crucial if you have maybe an app, if you are promoting an app on social media, or if you are promoting I don't know, like a new service or a subscription plan or a new platform on social media. This gives it a very professional look, so I really recommend you to use this app if you are promoting something like that. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. As you have seen, it has a tons of features. I'll let you play with all of them on yourself, because you can do a lot of testing and a lot of stuff to see exactly how it works, but you got the general idea. Okay, you can use this app. And thank you very much for your attention. You know already that you are awesome. I send you my best wishes. Sorin here. Till next lecture. Bye bye.